everybody, we are back with another shaping tutorial. Almonds are not just for eating. Let's get started on shaping this beautiful almond nail. Okay, so we're going to get started with this almond shape nail. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my cuticle pusher and push back her cuticles very gently. Then I'm going to use my hand file to take away the shine of her natural nail. When doing an almond shaped nail, I prefer to go with a shorter length. Now to avoid excess filing, I'm going to use my scissors and I'm going to cut away the corners of the nail. Now I'm going to grab my hand file and I'm going to be working from side to side. I'm going to be taking down the sides of the artificial tip. You want to angle your file towards the point, and also make sure that you are lining up with your sidewall and not digging into the natural nail. Once you get towards the top of the nail, you are going to round out the tip. After filing, you want to make sure that you're pushing out any of the residue underneath the nail and filing those away. This will give you a better picture of the exact shape of the nail. After you're done filing your nail the way you want it, it should closely resemble an almond. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!